In this video, I'm gonna show you the exact way how I used to train my forearms back in the day when I used to do a home workout with just one ingredient, and that is rice. So moving with the first exercise, which is moving your wrist up and down. So put it down and do it. 1, and the second exercise is twisting. So like this side, positive side. Put it down and twist it. So the third exercise is the same but in the opposite directions. So the fourth exercise is you're gonna put your finger down and pull it, open your arms like and pull it. It's gonna be super hard. It's like try to push it and pull it backward. So the last exercise is twisting. So go deeper and twist it. So that's it, guys. These are some exercise that you can do at home. So try it and make your forearms bigger. So thank you very much for watching this video.